Madison County in north central Alabama.
What the heck?
Moore County in Middle Tennessee. Southeastern Lincoln County in Middle Tennessee. Southwestern Franklin County in Middle Tennessee until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Huntsville, or 15 miles northeast of Mooresville, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hutland, Timms Ford Lake, Lexi Crossroads, Plevna, Harmony, Elora,
Oh, shoot.
Herdlow, Maxwell, and Marble Hill. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central and northeastern Alabama and Middle Tennessee. For your
What was that?
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.